Kamusta? Do you ever feel like you're always one step behind when it comes to paying for big expenses like a wedding, a new car, or a down payment on a house? Hindi ka nag-iisa. Ganyan din yung struggle ng iba, pati ako when it comes in saving and budgeting for those types of expenses. Pero may good news ako sa inyo. With a little planning and effort, you can take control of your finances and be ready for anything life throws at you. Budgeting for big expenses is all about setting realistic goals, making a plan, and sticking to it. How? First, identify your goals. Dito, ina-identify mo ano-ano ba yung mga expenses na gusto mong pag-ipunan. Make a list and prioritize them. Second, figure out how much you need to save. Dito, inaalam mo na magkano kaya yung total cost of each expense and determine how much you need to save each month to reach your goal. Pangatlo, create a budget. Make a plan for how you will allocate your income each month to cover your regular expenses and also put aside money for your big expenses. Pang-apat, track your spending. Keep track of your actual spending to make sure you're staying on track with your budget. Ito pa isang good news. I have monthly expenses monitoring sheet na may i-share sa inyo. Just register on www.budgetplan101.com and watch my webinar so you can grab the copy of this monitoring sheet for free. So, by following these simple steps, you'll be on your way to crushing those big expenses and reaching your financial goals. But if you're feeling overwhelmed or need help getting started, that's where I come in. As a financial advisor, I can help you create a comprehensive financial plan that takes into account your big expenses as well as your short and long-term goals. So, what are you waiting for? Book a call with me today. Just scan the QR code presented in the screen and let's make a plan to conquer those big expenses. Watch my video number 14, Protect What Matters Most. See you!